Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming back to my channel, Smart Index Edge. Here, I'm on the chart of Nifty on daily, and I've enabled my midweek of the month highlighter. This blue color bars, vertical bars with the yellow dot is the midweek of the month highlighter. So, this month it started on 15th. It appears as if the first day of the week, first day of the middle week, appeared to be a positive candle, and the second candle is a break below. That means it is making lower low. It has broken down below this. So I was a little bit concerned. I was telling that market has to go up, go down to the level of 25,538 to 578. So the same thing we can anticipate for correction in the market. Now it has started, the market is going to go down. Market with a little bit of time consuming. So there are 2 days are over in this week. If you see over here, 4 days. After 4 days and the fifth day, there are 5 days in a week. Now this is the beginning. 2 days, another 3 days are there. By the end of this week, today is it started from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. By the end of this week, we may anticipate for the down move, or it may continue within another week also. So probably it appears like that. Why it appears like that? Since I am on the daily time frame, market has broken below the support. This is the support, and tried to pull up, and the pivot is going down, and the candle which has closed yesterday is below the pivot. This is the pivot and this is the support. Once it starts breaking below this support, probably the market has come down once below R1, S1, and again it may go down another time S1. So the market is going to go down. So your bias should be down movement in the market. Even though there is a boundary like this is a compression. The compression of type of straight. It was not a straightforward fall. It made an high. Now, if you measure this leg from here to here, let me measure this leg. That is 511 points. If I put this over here, the 511 comes to 25,542. I had already mentioned in my previous video that market is seeking down move. It did not come straight away. It bought time. Probably market may come down to this level, 25,542. Around this area, probably we may see some sort of reversal in the market. So why we can anticipate reversal is this is another compression type of movement in the market. It has moved higher, came down, and it moved higher, and this time the correction is little bit time consuming. It went up, come down. It is confusing the traders. It is not a straight fall like this. Instead of that, this is a zigzag. So secondary in this secondary, this one, these are the minor trends. Secondary down move, these are the minor trends. Let me remove the drawings. You can see on your own. Let me hide my indicator. Let me hide my indicator. Okay. Let me go there and hide the indicator. You can see the price moving here. Price, instead of a straight down move, it is taking time. This was an imbalance candle, broken below that candle. You can see this was the latest low. Latest low and latest high was broken down. It was a pullback. Pullback halfway through, then a down move will continue towards the. So if we take this, the measured move, let me take the fib tool. Where is this fib tool? No. If I take the fib tool, the measured, it comes to 25,531. Maybe after this compression, market can go down. Today, what can happen is any pullback. Let us go to the intraday time frame. Intraday time frame. Let me apply 15 minutes chart. 15 minutes chart. You can see intraday time frame already they have taken liquidity. Okay. This is the breakdown and the movement down was little bit clumsy. So already it has gone down, and any up move little bit is a downward move in the market. So for this, I'm going to apply TPO. Many people don't have not having the premium membership cannot get this time price opportunity. It is not loading time. Oh, I've hidden the indicator. That's why. Okay. See, if I see the time price opportunity, here the whole thing was an imbalance. The whole you can see the market profile, the whole thing was an imbalance. This imbalance is correcting step by step. Now, market has lost its point of control over here. Then there is no guidance in the market. It can come down. Okay, let me close this indicator. This is not my indicator. It is available on the trading view. You can use it. TPO if you are a premium member. Or if you have basic essential also, you can use this indicator TPO, time price opportunity. My rolling pivot indicator, clearly it came out of this is an extreme down move. All the pivots. This is pivot R1, S1, gapping down, and then the market, when it goes away from the pivots, it tries to enter into the pivot. Market came inside. It tried to balance out, and then this was an sell on rally. Market finally closed down. Any up move towards 25,878, then it is a down. Down move. Down move is going to continue in the market. We need to see. There are multiple levels of previous levels of supports are there. These are the put writers. We need to see market may come down, and for a while it can take support and move higher, and it can do that also. Let us see what the market will do. The put writers came in here. Market could not sustain this. So this becomes a resistance for the market. Immediate resistance is 25,888. So friends, the correction has started in the market. It was a compression type of correction. Now the market is finding lower level. Let me change it to hourly and let me zoom it. Let me hide the EP indicator. Just I'm enabling rolling pivot over here. You can clearly see the market. It was just a push up in this fashion, and now it is coming down. It has fallen below this 2 days of down move, 1 day of up move and down move. So if it starts breaking below this level, confirmedly 25,695, then it may seek the level of 25,530. That's how it is. So clearly, this was a down move. If I change it to daily time frame, you could have guessed here itself the market was coming down. Let me take out this fib tool. You can see the price on 1st December itself, it went up to 26,321, and then it broke below this. The price closing below the pivot on 2nd December indicated the market is going to go down, and the whole lot of thing is a pullback rally, and it is a failure. And again it came down. It was a same pattern. It is doing the same pattern. 3 days of fall and 2 days of up move, 3 days of fall, and here 2 days of up move, and this appears to be an up move, but not so, and market is continuing its down move. So if I measure this down move, this leg, the market, same amount of 3 times, same amount of down move, if it starts, then we can anticipate 25,548 to 530. So friends, be ready for any up move on an intraday basis is a selling opportunity in the market. Market has started correction. Instead of the previous to previous month, you can see the previous month and the previous to previous month. This is October month, November month, December month, we are seeing midweek of the month, we are seeing downside move in the market. Downside move in the market. So indicating market is undergoing through correction. From here, the market started its up move 24,335. August, September, October, November. In the month of December, it has started coming down. If it holds this level, then there will be continuation of the up move, or otherwise it can lead to more correction in the market. And if I put the drawing over here, let me remove this drawing. If I put an horizontal line over here, this is the breakout level. The market went up, came inside. Let me put another breakout line, the immediate breakout. The market broke above this, or if it stops here, or if it stops here, 25,671, and one more level we can draw over here, breakout. That comes to 25,553. The market can come down to 25,553. Like this. And if it turns around, then we can anticipate for a up move in the market. So exactly this was an up and retest to this level. It appears like an shoulder here. One more left shoulder and right shoulder. This is the neckline. Just a pattern I'm telling. It may not be so. If it comes over here, then market, if it holds, it has to reverse. If it fails, it can go deep down correction. We can see in the market to the next level. Next level is 25. That is the later question. We are not going to talk about that. We can anticipate at present down move towards the 25,535. 525 to 535 we can anticipate for the down move. Let me take the fixed profile. This is the value area low. If it starts breaking below 25,726, we can anticipate for the down move. Let me anchor this volume profile to the latest swing. This is the latest swing. So you can clearly see the market. If I zoom it out, you can clearly, oh my God, it has gone away. See, the market has closed below this latest value area low. It has lost its point of control and it is clearly suggesting sellers are dominating in this move. So let me anchor this profile from here to here, even that also, let me take out this. Even that also, it is a clear breakdown from the value area low. That means in this profile, it has broken so we can anticipate a down move in the market. If it is, within 3 days, we can anticipate for the level of 25,539. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.